السلام علیکم دوستان الله دې وکړي چې روغ جوړ او صحتمند اوسئ. راځئ چې نن په 5 یا 5 interesting idioms باندې خبرې وکړو. The first one is join the majority. Join the majority means to die, مړ کېدل. Ahmad joined the majority in 2021 because of his cancer. The second one is palmy days. Palmy days means days of victories or days of victory. The Bariya Warazi ya the Bariya Wacht. These are your palmy days. Enjoy because you're young now. And the next one that we have is commit to paper. Commit to paper means to write it down. Likal they also. The things and the points that he's saying about public speaking are really interesting and important. So I need to commit them to paper. And the fourth one that we have is reams and reams. Reams and reams means many pages. I read the book that you gave me, reams and reams. And the last one that we have is in saddle. In saddle has the meaning of in the office, but daftar ke. I'll be waiting for you in saddle. After 5 minutes, I want you to come to the office and we will negotiate about a specific point. Thank you.